Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making one of the most delicious soup in Nigeria. If you're Nigerian, probably you know how to prepare this special soup already. That is a seafood okra soup. I know you have your own unique way of preparing this soup, but I would like you to sit back, watch this video. You may learn one or two things from me. And if you are not a Nigerian and you've probably been hearing of seafood okra soup and you are wondering how it is prepared, I want you to sit tight, watch this video to the end, and trust me, you're gonna like it. You will learn something on how to prepare this soup and enjoy it at the comfort of your home. I personally call this soup payday soup because, as you're gonna see, it involves a lot of things. You need to buy a lot of the ingredients, especially the seafood, which are expensive depending on the part of the world where you are. But it's what it is. After all, you work so hard, so you need to eat good food. Sit, enjoy, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. So at this point, I'm done washing all of my seafood and other ingredients that needs to be washed. I'm just displaying them so that you can visually see all the ingredients and the recipes I'm going to be using for this soup. I've got the prawns, the crabs, the fish, the meat, and then these my onions, my fresh pepper, just blending them everything together. I'll then cook all of the meat and the fish, the crabs and everything. I cook them properly. I'm cooking all of my ingredients together because I want to have a mixed flavor of all of them. And you can see that I try to to pour the blended spices in layers, just so that everything can properly be mixed and soaked into the fish, the crabs, and the prawns. After pouring in my blended pancakes, see how beautiful it looks like. And then just gonna cover the pot for some minutes and let it steam and properly cook together. And then I'm moving on to blend some part of my okra, just a little portion of it, because I want it to be very thick. I want the soup to be raw. Really gives you that okra vibes. So the blended okra helps to give the soup that slimy feeling, that slimy texture of the okra soup that makes it very unique. So this is what I'm just stirring my pot, stirring the beef and all together to ensure everything is cooked properly. Once I'm happy that the meat, the crabs and all of that are properly cooked, I'm just gonna go in or pour in the other part of the recipe that I'm using for this soup. That's the crayfish I'm pouring in there, and a little of red oil, red palm oil, and then I'll pour in the blended okra. Then I'll allow the pot to steam for like 1 to 2 minutes. Here I'm pouring in the remaining portion of the okra. You can see the sizes which I cut them into, because I want to have a bite of them when I'm eating my soup. Again, once you're done pouring in this other part of the okra, just let it steam for less than a minute, because I want it to be very fresh. I want my okra and the rest of the soup to be very fresh. I don't want to overcook it, so for less than a minute, stir it gently, because you don't want to break or lose all of your meat, your fish and the crabs. I want it to come out the way I put them. Oh yeah, at this point I'm just putting in my fresh leaf, that's season leaf. So it's optional depending on where you are and what you've got available. Some people use vegetable to go, and you can use spinach as well, depending on what you have. Look at that. Look at that, look at the soup, look at the color. I mean, it's giving that vibes. Oh yeah, your soup is ready. Now get a plate, just grab a plate and dish it into your plate. Grab a seat. Enjoy your seafood okra soup. I mean, you could tell that this was delicious. Look at that. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching this video to this point. And if you've watched up to this level, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, share, and let me know when you prepare it in the kitchen. Just drop a comment under the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.